So let's take a look at one of the awesome practice features in Piano Marvel called Practice Mode. I'm going to open a song here in the method. I can easily come in here and click and drag my mouse to select measures that I want to practice. Many of the songs and exercises in Piano Marvel have what's called Practice Mode. Practice Mode works similar to this using predefined practice sections. Simply click the Practice Mode button, and in the Practice Mode window you may see whole, chopped, and minced. However, some songs only contain a whole or chopped section. The minced slicing contains sections of music that are separated by left and right hand. These sections are reviewed by professional piano teachers to maximize the learning experience. In this example, we see the right hand measures 1 through 4. This can be practiced at a slow, medium, or fast tempo. If I select the first star, the song will reload and show only the right hand measures 1 through 4. Once I've practiced and perfected this section, I can return to practice mode and earn a star at a faster tempo. I can also practice left hand measures 1 through 4 in the same way. After the right and left hand parts have been learned, I can practice with hands together. As you go through and earn the stars for each song, you'll be learning to play every section of the piece. The chopped slicing is very similar to the minced, however, left and right hands are not separated. Lastly, the whole slicing allows you to practice right hand all the way through the piece and left hand all the way through the piece, and then with hands together. We recommend using practice mode anytime you feel like you're getting stuck. Give it a try today and see how fast you can learn to play new songs.